Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to enable fingerprint lock on WhatsApp and set it to activate after 30 minutes of inactivity. This feature adds an extra layer of security to your chats, ensuring that your private conversations stay protected. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. Once inside, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the three-dot menu icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Next, in the Settings menu, tap on Privacy. This section contains various options to customize how WhatsApp handles your data and security. Scroll down until you see the option labeled App Lock. Tap on it. Now, you'll find a toggle for Unlock with Biometric. Switch this toggle to the On position. At this point, WhatsApp will prompt you to confirm your fingerprint. Place your finger on your device's fingerprint sensor to complete this step. Once your fingerprint is successfully registered, you'll see options to choose how long WhatsApp should wait before locking itself again. Select after 30 minutes from the list. This ensures that if you leave the app inactive for half an hour, it will require your fingerprint to unlock again, and that's it. You've successfully enabled fingerprint lock on WhatsApp with a 30-minute delay. From now on, your chats will be securely protected, and only you can access them after verifying your fingerprint. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and share it with others who might benefit from this added security feature. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.